What does functools.wraps do? In a comment on this answer to another question, someone said that they weren't sure what functools.wraps was doing. So, I'm asking this question so that there will be a record of it on Stack Overflow for future reference. What does functools.wraps do, exactly?
When you use a decorator, you're replacing one function with another. In other words, if you have a decorator, then when you say it's exactly the same as saying and your function f is replaced with the function with underscore logging. Unfortunately, this means that if you then say it will print with underscore logging because that's the name of your new function. In fact, if you look at the docstring for f, it will be blank because with underscore logging has no docstring, and so the docstring you wrote won't be there anymore. Also, if you look at the pydoc result for that function, it won't be listed as taking one argument x, instead it'll be listed as taking args and quargs because that's what with underscore logging takes. If using a decorator always meant losing this information about a function, it would be a serious problem. That's why we have functools.wraps. This takes a function used in a decorator and adds the functionality of copying over the function name, docstring, arguments list, etc. And since wraps is itself a decorator, the following code does the correct thing.
As of Python 3.5+, is an alias for g equals functools.update_wrapper g, f. It does exactly three things. It copies the underscore module underscore name underscore quaname doc and underscore annotations underscore attributes of f on g. This default list is in wrapper underscore assignments. You can see it in the functools source. It updates the underscore dict underscore of g with all elements from f dot underscore dict underscore. See wrapper underscore updates in the source. It sets a new underscore wrapped underscore equals f attribute on g. The consequence is that g appears as having the same name, docstring, module name, and signature than f. The only problem is that concerning the signature this is not actually true, it is just that an inspect.signature follows wrapper chains by default. You can check it by using inspect.signature g, follow underscore wrapped equals false, as explained in the doc. This has annoying consequences. The wrapper code will execute even when the provided arguments are invalid. The wrapper code cannot easily access an argument using its name, from the received args, quargs. Indeed, one would have to handle all cases, positional, keyword, default, and therefore to use something like signature.bind. Now there is a bit of confusion between functools.wraps and decorators, because a very frequent use case for developing decorators is to wrap functions. But both are completely independent concepts. If you are interested in understanding the difference, I implemented helper libraries for both, decapatch to write decorators easily, and makefun to provide a signature-preserving replacement for @wraps. Note that makefun relies on the same proven trick than the famous decorator library.
Assume we have this simple decorator which takes a function's output and puts it into a string, followed by 3 Let's now decorate two different functions with mid-echo. When run at 10,20, ms1, 2, 3, 4, it worked. However, the name attribute, which gives us the name of a function when we define it. Worse. We can fix partially by Now we run step 5, second time, again. But we can use functools.wraps, decorator tool. Now run step 5, third time, again. Reference.
I very often use classes, rather than functions, for my decorators. I was having some trouble with this because an object won't have all the same attributes that are expected of a function. For example, an object won't have the attribute _name_. I had a specific issue with this that was pretty hard to trace, where Django was reporting the error object has no attribute _name_. Unfortunately, for class-style decorators, I don't believe that wrap will do the job. I have instead created a base decorator class like so. This class proxies all the attribute calls over to the function that is being decorated. So, you can now create a simple decorator that checks that two arguments are specified like so.